Okay, put some on your feet, Tatum. I'm camcordering you.
Get it! Go away, little ducky. You're not nice. I gotta throw a Cheerio at you.
Put them on. What's the matter, Tatum?
Yeah.
What happened to your toe? I don't know. It's been the ducks.
They ate my toe off. Chewed my toe off. Put some on your toes again.
Okay. I'm gonna put one in between my toes. Hold your horses. Wait a second. Stop it. I will throw the Cheerio at you. Ow!
Did it get you?
There's not a Cheerio on there yet.
Put one of them between.
Ow!
Put it between your toes. Stick them between your toes.
Okay.
See what they
Oh, I
do.
fell through.
There. Here they go.
I'll put one right next to
Here he goes.
You see, Amanda's too scared.
Okay.
Need some Q-tips. I didn't bring any.
Put them in between you. Pull them out.
They're biting Tatum's toes. She didn't even have Cheerios on there.
Wait. Not done. Just a second. Ow!
Was that the end? Put them.
Oh my god, that's funny.
You scared them off.
Good. Hit my toe. You want the Cheerio?
Okay.
No, you can't have them.